My dear friends, I warmly invite you to our next Healthy Vision workshop. This time we have a very special focus. We won't just be practicing eye exercises. The main emphasis of this workshop will be on strengthening your psycho-emotional state, because this is the foundation of healthy vision. Why? Because stress, fears, and unresolved emotions are often the hidden reasons behind vision problems. What will we practice? With special energy and relaxation practices, we will release inner blocks, old resentments, fears, inner tension. We will fill ourselves with calmness, balance, and confidence. And this is directly reflects on the health of our eyes. Of course, we will also work intensively with the eyes. We will improve blood circulation in the visual system. We will learn how to switch attention between central and peripheral vision. We will practice dynamic and static relaxation of the eyes. This is really important, to know. And train clear focusing both near and far. And many of you will experience the amazing flashes of clear vision, where you can see almost everything. Want to join us? Register now, as places are limited. I'm really looking forward to seeing you there. Together, we will find inner peace and clear eyesight. See you